This slow cooker, easy baked potato soup, shared by Allrecipes member, the Baby Bow Lady, makes a great meal for chilly weather weekdays. Member Lamont Jennifer writes, "This soup tasted wonderful. I served it for our dinner guests and even sent some home with them. They loved it." First, place 10 small or 5 large cubed red skin potatoes in the bottom of your slow cooker pot. Scatter 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the potatoes and toss them to coat. Scatter 3/4 of a cup of real bacon bits over the potatoes, or you can use bacon that you've cooked and chopped. 1 chopped small red onion, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing mix, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, half of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then add 3 cups of chicken broth or chicken bouillon granules and water. Stir everything and cover. Cook it on the low setting for 7 to 9 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. Now the soup is almost ready, so we'll add a cup of half and half and cook it another 15 minutes. Before serving, garnish the soup with shredded cheddar cheese and chopped green onion. The smell of this slow cooker, easy baked potato soup, writes an Allrecipes member Strawberry Pancake, was amazing. I wanted to eat it hours before it was even ready because of the smell alone.